The gelatin trick has quickly become one of the most talked about wellness routines of the year, especially among people exploring mindful eating habits. Instead of being promoted as a strict diet, the gelatin trick is usually described as a simple habit done before meals. The idea is straightforward. Drink a warm gelatin mixture a few minutes before eating. Many people say that after trying the gelatin trick, they feel more satisfied during meals and tend to eat more slowly and intentionally. Some nutrition discussions suggest this could be related to the way gelatin behaves when it absorbs water. What makes the gelatin trick appealing is its balanced and low-pressure approach. It isn't meant to replace meals or force restrictive dieting. Most sources simply recommend moderation, proper hydration, and speaking with a professional if you have specific health concerns. Because it's simple, affordable, and easy to try, the gelatin trick continues to gain attention online. If you're curious about how the gelatin trick works and how people are using it in their daily routines, you can find more information in the first comment.